try to keep my head above this feeling I can't get rid of. It's haunting me. It's haunting me. I don't know what I'm reaching.
All the boys, you'll be right, thank you. Yeah, he's starting to walk towards us. Here the media.
So he's supposed to be Robert 167. I think I put on 163 on him. 167.
207 for Rolf?
Yeah. And then we need a 167.
Yeah, good. Tell me, Brent.
Sorry about that.
No, that's okay. I did look righty, bro.
Yeah, mate.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay, yeah.
Oh, no.
We'll get these ones done first. Jaden, blue latte to you. And that's just $12. Thanks, buddy. Cheers, appreciate that. Yep, that one.
Bike crew scrutineering. Get your bikes down here, get them in the lineup, grab a coffee. The guys at Monza Imports have got a great display here. And the guys at First Class Motorcycles have got the 2024 Huskies sitting there in the Husky tent, ready for your perusal. Those bikes were used in test rides yesterday. They had a great day out in the paddock. People got to ride some great new bikes. So thanks to First Class Motorcycles from Lilydale for bringing the bikes down and allowing people to ride them around. You can have a look at them today.
Well, what Jaden said was so good. He's like, I bought a brand new, all black plastics, put the brand new one in the shed when I sell it. His bike looks really fucking good. It's a good idea. Makes sense, doesn't it? How shiny that pipe is. Mine's all discoloured a lot of stuff.
We're running through their land as well. First class Huskies here, 2024 Huskies. Look out for that bit of a highlight. First class motorcycles are here. Lilydale.
One of those soft ones where it just kept going.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Straight in.
It doesn't matter, he hit the deck.
At least I can see there's moisture on it.
Yeah, there's moisture somewhere.
Yeah, that's in the paddock.
Oh.
There's none anywhere else. Except for the
Except for
two
those
creeks.
Distance. Just so you know, first loop, they're colour coded. The first loop and is red. So everybody note here, we've had trouble in the past where people have taken the wrong course. Red is loop 1. And then loop 2 will be blue. Blue arrows, loop 2. So if you come to the intersection and there's blue arrows going one way and red arrows going the other, you're going to go on the loop that you're on. Where you can, just space out, and that's the thing, and hopefully the wind will pick up and it shouldn't have too many dust issues. So we'll probably release you not in such big groups today, and make it better. Down the floor. And then they will then radio us for either recovery or whatever needs to be done. So the main thing is really to have fun out there and just to look after each other and take it easy, because it's not a race, it's just a fun ride.
Just admiring the kickstart. How are you, mate? 230? 230, yeah. Beautiful. Excellent. 40 horsepower.
2019 SER 300 Turbo.
Very nice.
A good bit of kit.
Just a rundown on your bike.
Oh, just a 2009 250 EXR.
Got the Akrapovic on it.
What's that? Yeah, I've had that since new. It's pretty good. That's about it, really. Pretty basic. Yeah, that's right. All the gear, no idea. All the gear, no idea.
No idea. I'll keep an eye out and see who comes back first.
That's right.
It's not a race though. It's not a race.
Yeah.
Well, this looks very shiny.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Tell us a little bit about it.
No, she's only got 400 Ks on it.
400 Ks.
Yeah, that's it.
Beautiful.
Nice bike.
All kinds of bikes. Today, all kinds of bikes. Hey ladies, how are you? Tell us a little bit about your bike.
Oh, this isn't mine. My bike shit itself yesterday.
Oh, no good.
So this is just a borrow bike.
A borrow bike.
Yeah.
Alright, well
She'll
enjoy
be
the
right.
dust out there.
Thank
You'll have a
you.
ball. What about you? What?
I have a 250 EXE.
250 EXE.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Goodbye.
Have a good ride.
Thank you.
I hope your bike's easy to fix.
Yeah, it's not.
Oh no. The prize for the sickest mullet of the event goes to 288. Tell us a little bit about yourself and the bike.
Not a lot, just a YZ 250, I don't know what else. First rally we're doing, so
Awesome. Enjoy.
good on you.
You'll have a ball.
Thank you.
It's looking very shiny.
Yes, we'll see how it goes at the end of the day.
Yeah, it'll be covered in dust, I can tell you that for sure.
It will be.
Tell us a little bit about it.
YZX, 22 model YZX. Very happy with it, 97 kilos dry. Very light for an older guy like me to pick up after the dozenth time.
Can appreciate that.
Yeah, it's very, I'm very happy with it. It's been great.
Oh, very good. How you doing?
Good, thanks.
Tell us a little bit about your bike.
Oh yeah, 2009 KTM.
Yep.
530, bought a new Boltons back then. Done about 150 hours. Gets pretty well maintained and it's just a ripper machine.
Machine. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Beast. Looks to me about a 94, 95. Beautiful. Don't need the flashiest gear, the newest gear to do the race. Not looking at anyone in the picture.
There's a black with PE down the back.
Lot of bling. Very good. Enjoy it.
Yeah.
You'll be very dusty by the end of the day.
I know.
Hey, mate, sir.
Tell us a little bit about your bike.
I bought this back in 2007 in an unrestored condition off the original owner in Coffs Harbour, New South Wales. And I took it back home to Melbourne and I completely stripped it and restored it. It owes me about $9,000 in restoration costs. You know, spokes and rims and engine and the Olam suspension and Technic fork springs and emulators, electron carb and all that, and it runs pretty good for its age. And I ride mostly the Vinduro events, but I like to turn up to these events, start at the back, and hopefully finish.
Your way through.
Yeah, I hope to get through one loop today. It's going to be very hot.
Yeah, I'll enjoy.
Thank you.
Good job, mate.